Pangolins are toothless, defenseless, and scaly species of mammals that live in hollow trees or dug burrow tunnels. Majority of these nocturnal animals use sense of smell to find their prey, which are insects. They mate once in a year during summer or autumn with a gestation period of between 70 to 140 days. Their maturity period is between 1 to 3 years, while their lifespan range from 7 to 10 years. These species of animals are being threatened by illegal trafficking. In China, Vietnam, and some other Asian countries, pangolin meat are considered to be a delicacy and eaten as exotic meat in many restaurants. For these reasons, Pangolin Conservation Working Group in Nigeria, a non-governmental organization, is championing the cause of the preservation of the animal from going into extinction. Co-coordinator of the group, Olajumoke Morenikeji, and the Ogun State Commissioner for Forestry, Kolawole Lawal, speak on the relevance of this year's theme.
Because if you remove them from the ecosystem, you are actually setting up an imbalance. That will mean there will be a boom of crop pests, for instance. We also know that they are important because, they serve as a buffer to human beings, especially in what I have just said.
To keep conserving, we should encourage people to make sure our conservation process is robust, and then we don't allow our endangered species to go into extinction.
And wildlife conservation in and of itself is a really important thing that we need to think a little bit more about. The United States is really committed to wildlife conservation, to curbing the trafficking of pangolins and other endangered species throughout the world.
The guest lecturer at the event, Olusola Adepoju, who was represented by Adekunle Joel Meduno, emphasized the need to conserve forest reserves.
There should be no extinction of pangolin. The reason being that it never happens to anybody. Rather, it's controlling the ants for you. You know what millions of ants a single animal is consumed per year. But this particular animal is one that is predating on those particular ants.
The theme of this year's World Pangolin Day is Meet the Pangolin. In Abeokuta, Hakeem Jimo, NTA News.